In this video, my students and we filmed a fun moment for the birthday of one of my students. We had such a great time while recording it. Now it's your turn to enjoy. If you like this type of content, please subscribe and like to support my channel. Now let's get into it. Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. You?
I'm fine, thanks. What did you do today?
Hi guys.
Hi,
Hi.
Anna.
Do you know what day is today?
What day is it today? I'm thinking
Thursday.
Tuesday. No,
Yeah.
not Thursday. Tuesday. Yes, it is Tuesday. Why? Just a normal day, I guess.
Nothing special. Why?
Oh, never mind.
She said, so it's an important day for her, I think. Maybe.
You guys didn't you forget something?
Like what?
Think a little bit.
We are thinking. Oh yeah, I forgot to do my homework. Thank you, Tuana. Did you forget anything?
And I forgot to feed Boncuk. Thank you, Tana.
Thank you, Tuana.
You're driving me crazy.
Oh, I drive her crazy. She got angry. Okay,
Why do they forget me? Don't they? Now it's my birthday. I was so excited. No card, no cake, no happy birthday, nothing. Maybe I don't matter to them.
Tana, are you okay?
No, I am really sad.
Why?
Because today is my birthday and that no one remembered.
I am sorry. That's really sad.
Now, Miraj, go.
I'm going. Surprise! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wait, wait, what? Didn't you forget?
Yes, we didn't forget. That was all part of our plan.
We want to surprise you.
You guys are the best.
Yes, we are the best. Now make a wish and blow the candles, please. Let's eat cake. Miraj, can you bring a knife?
Okay.
Now you will cut the cake, okay? Okay, and please, yes, bring some plates. Three, yes, we are three people. Thank you, Miraj. Okay, now please cut.
Çatal.
Fork, yes. Four forks.
Okay.
Enjoy your cake. Enjoy Tuana's cake.
Perfect.
Perfect. Delicious. It's delicious.